Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to safely prepare and inject your semaglutide or tirzepatide medication from WeightCare. Whether it's your first time or you're just looking for a quick refresher, this guide will make the steps simple, clear, and stress-free. A few reminders before we get started. Semaglutide and tirzepatide are both once weekly injections. When you receive your medication, you need to keep it refrigerated at all times, but do not freeze it. Medication should be kept out of direct light. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to your doctor or pharmacist. Step 1 is to wash your hands thoroughly and gather your materials on a clean surface. You are going to need your medication. Remove it from the fridge right before use. A syringe that is labeled in units. Alcohol wipes. A cotton round or a cotton ball, a Band-Aid in case you need it, and a hard plastic container for disposing your syringe. Step 2, preparing your medication. The first step is going to be to double check your dose. These are the units that are prescribed to you by your doctor. Once you know your dosing, you're going to take an alcohol pad and clean the rubber stopper on top of your vial. You're going to remove the orange bottom cap, and then you're going to carefully remove the top orange cap. This will expose the needle. Holding the syringe in your dominant hand, you're going to push through the rubber stopper on top of your vial, turn your vial upside down, and pull the plunger until you reach the desired dose. Once your syringe is filled to your desired dose, you're going to inspect it for air bubbles and just make sure the dose is correct. If you see any air bubbles, you can gently tap to move them up. If the dose is incorrect, you can push it back into the vial and redraw the correct amount. Step 3, preparing your injection site. The most common injection site is going to be on your stomach on either side of your belly button. Other suitable injection sites are the back of your arm or upper leg. The key is to be able to pinch the skin to inject the medication directly into fatty tissue. You don't want to inject into muscle. Once you have decided on your injection site, go ahead and clean it with an alcohol wipe. Step 4, injecting your medication. You're going to hold the syringe in your dominant hand like you would a pen or a dart. Then you're going to pinch or gather the skin at your chosen injection site and insert the needle at a 90-degree angle. Once inserted, you're going to push down on the syringe plunger until all the medication has been injected. Step 5, cleaning your injection site post-injection. Go ahead and take an alcohol wipe and clean off where you had injected your medication. If needed, you can put some pressure using the cotton round, and you can also apply a Band-Aid. Step 6, disposing your used syringe. You're going to take your syringe and carefully put the top cap back on. You're going to place the syringe in your puncture-proof container for storing for future disposal. And that's it. It's quick, it's easy, and it's relatively painless. You've successfully completed your injection. If you ever have any questions or concerns about your injection technique, don't hesitate to reach out to your WeightCare team or your doctor. It'll get easier every time. You've got this.